channel. Today's video is going to be a little different because I'm finally doing a vlog. 3rd of September 2021, this afternoon at 5 o'clock I will be going to Winterberg Bike Park in Germany with some of the locals here in the Netherlands, Groningen, with my bike. It's now all set, ready for a shreddy in a downhill bike park. I've got 135mm suspension there. It was a bit leaky the other day, but I managed to kind of fix it, so hopefully it won't leak when I'm riding in Winterberg. My tyres are all pumped up to 20 something psi, which is perfect for a downhill bike park. On my way now. After a 4 hours drive, we're finally arrived in Winterberg in Germany. So it's now 11 o'clock. We've checked into the hostel. Here's my room. I've got an ensuite little bathroom in there, which is very nice. Tomorrow we're going to wake up at 7:30 and then we're going to have breakfast and then get some shreddy session. See how it goes. Free wrestle here in Winterberg Bike Park. Something hit me in my face. Freeride Line. Yep. Shit, that was sketchy. Bit rough here. That's an understatement, to be honest. It's really, really rough. Braking bob. Crazy. Whoa. Too many freaking bumps here, oh my god. Crazy. Shit, that went too big. Oh my god, I went too big. Almost died. Free right action, just lower bit, got this. What's really nice berm.
they were a bit smoother, to be honest. Can arm pump slightly. Clear this. Ew. Another one. Ew. So fast. Oh my god, love this. Right, into lower section. Jump this. Brake. More bumps. More braking bumps. A lot more. Hey, let's go. Yo! Oh! So many braking bumps. Clear this, no. Cans. Go. Arms. Yo. Drop this. I don't know what's going on here. Okay. Something that big. Whoa! Okay, fair enough. I'm going slow here. Oh my gosh. Crazy. Crazy arm pump.
Yeah, it was.
Oh.
Excellent. Nice.
Whew.
Yeah.
You can go in front of me if you want.
Sure.
Yeah.
I'll take it easy though. I won't
This
go
is
too
not the
fast.
downhill bike trail, that's the thing.
Yeah.
The turns are a bit too...
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, ready?
Yep, let's go. Don't follow too closely, I might slow down sometimes. Went so close to the tree. Went really sideways there. Shit. No. Ducking underneath this. There's no shoring. Drop this into a really tight berm. Avoid that tree. into another turn, another switchback, more offshore feature. Offshore feature. Taste that. Sick. Don't like the turn. Hate that. Tight switchbacks everywhere. It's really fun actually. Get a great varieties of different sorts of features. Flying down there. Got a really wide line. Gonna tip in. It's another tight switchback. It's another one. See, I think that is a crossing. String crossing kind of thing. Another string crossing through the middle. Another switchback. Really wide line. Oh, another one. That's cheaper pop out. North Shore features. Careful here. Control the speed. And look where you're going. Always a good idea. Look where you're going. Right, we are at the last section of the North Shore Line. Right, pedal. Ow! Ow, my nuts! Ow, my nuts! I'll go. Yeah, cheers.
that was my weekend at Winterberg Bike Park. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.
Oh my God.